Welcome to Pixel's first retail management system. In this video, we'll show you how to create different types of offers to boost your sales, including discount price, mix and match, buy and get free, and multi-selling offers. You can define offers in system in two ways. Number 1. Quick edit from sales screen. Number 2. Offers from back office. The multi-selling option allows you to create special deals based on product quantity. You can use multi-selling to define discounted prices for bulk purchases and increase sales. For example, 1 product for £1 and 50 pence. 2 products for £2 and 50 pence. To set this up, go to Quick Edit from Sales screen. Scan the product for which you want to apply multi-sell offer. Enter the multi-sell price and the quantity on which multi-sell price will apply. Save the offer and close. Now, when customers buy 2 items, the system will automatically apply the lower combined price. Discount price. The first option is discount price. Use this when you want to apply a percentage or fixed discount to individual products. Simply select the product, enter the discount value, and save. Now you can see the offer has been successfully added to the system. Let's test it in the sales screen. Scan or select the product for which you created the offer. And notice that the discounted price is automatically applied at checkout. Next is mix and match. This offer allows customers to purchase a group of items together at a special price. For example, buy any 3 different drinks for £5. Here's how to set it up. From back office, click Offers, and from left menu click Mix and Match. Mix and Match screen will open. Here, enter offer name, quantity of products on which offer will apply, and then promotional price of the product. Then define start and end data of the offer. Click on Add Mix and Match button for adding items which will be part of Mix and Match offer. You can add all the products by scanning their codes, and then click on Save button after adding all the products and close. Now, when you scan these products at checkout, the mix and match offer will automatically apply until the offer's end date. Buy one, get one offer. To begin, go to the left side menu and click on Offers. Then select Buy and Get Free from the list. Next, under Item X, select the product that customers will buy to qualify for the offer. You can search either by barcode or by name. Once found, click Add Item. Now, under Item Y, choose the product that will be given for free or at a promotional price. Again, you can search by barcode or name, then click Add Item. Once both items are added, set your offer details. Buying limit. How many times the customer can use this offer? Item X quantity. How many of the main item must be purchased? Item Y price. The price of the free or discounted item, leave it as 0 for a free item. Offer name. Enter a name to identify this promotion. Next, choose the start date and end date for when the offer will be active. When all details are filled in, click Add Offer to include it in the list below. Then click Save Offer to confirm. The newly created offer will now appear in the table below, showing the offer name, quantities, prices, and duration. And that's it. You've successfully set up a buy and get free promotion in your retail system. Now let's check how the offer works on the sales screen. Select the item from its relevant category and enter a quantity of 2. You'll notice that the system automatically charges the price for only one item, confirming that the buy one, get one free offer is applied successfully. And that's it! You now know how to create and manage offers in Pixel's first retail management system. Thank you for watching Pixel's first tutorial. For more videos, please subscribe our channel. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel and like this video.